Welcome to Mechanical Tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in
Hi, today I am
circuit
going to
board.
explain about differential wheel, which is a casting component. So this is the component I am going to create. Also I am going to create 2D drawing for this component. So I am going to share this PDF. You can check the description. So let's start now. So I have taken a new SolidWorks part file. So I have created a sketch in the front plane. So in order to save the time in the video, I have predefined this sketch. So I am going to share the sketch dimensions in the PDF. You can check the description. Take a revolve feature and save it. Now select the sketch, keep it in wireframe, select this edge, convert entity, see now keep it in front view, now we have to make this as a construction. And we have to select this. So I am going to create this cutout, inside cutout. So I am going to select this inner edge and convert entity and say OK. Now select this and make it construction. Now keep it normal. So better visibility, we can keep it in wireframe or shaded form. Now draw two lines. Draw center line. So make sure that it is vertical, since we are going to mirror it. So select these three lines, make it symmetric. Now select 3-point arc, center point arc. So it should be concentric to the inner circle. Similarly, make one more arc. See, we can just rotate it and for better visibility. See here. Now select trim entities, select corner trim, and we can select this arc and this line, this arc and this line. this arc and line, so that makes a closed loop. Now keep it in normal direction and assign the dimension. So this is 16. This is 22.2. See here, it is not concentric, so we have to select these two lines, two arcs, and make it core again. So select this construction circle and this arc, make it co-radial. See, let's fit to screen. Now it is constrained. Now create a cutout feature. See, keep it in shaded form. And just say OK. See here. So here either we can create a pattern of this cutout. So we have to see whether we have imaginary axis or not. So we have imaginary axis. So we can select this and select the circular pattern. Circular pattern, and we can select this feature. So axis, we can select this. So we need 3 instances of equal distance. Say OK. So this is one method. So I am going to suppress this. Straight away we can create a circular pattern in the sketch itself. So we have to select the origin, and the number of instances 3. So here this point is selected. Now we have to select these lines and arcs. See here, and say OK. Come out of this sketch. So this is one more method. So we can have 2 methods. Now I am going to create this extruded boss. Select the top plane, go to sketch, create a circle. Now go to extruded boss, and it is 22.2. So we have to select the merge result and say OK. So this boss has been created. Select the top plane, go to sketch, select one more circle over here. So this is 11. So here we have to create extruded boss and we have to take offset, that is 31.75. See here, it's going to create over here, and select up to next, or we can select up to surface, any one of these. See, it's showing a flip direction, so it's better to select up to next. See, this is. So now I am going to create this cutout. So select the top plane, go to sketch, select a circle, create a cutout. So we have to select a blind and flip the direction. So you can use up to next or through all. So here I am using through all. See here. Now I am going to create a pattern. So select the circular pattern, select the axis. See here, there is a temporary axis, we can select it, and we have to select the features. Here we need to select these three features. One is extruded boss 1, 2, and this cutout. See all the three and say OK. So select this face, go to sketch, so I am going to create this ear bosses. So we can create a circle at this point. So we have to make sure that the center point of the circle and the origin should be vertical. Now dimension this. See, it is 6.4. See, this half of the portion is going to merge with this component, so we have to convert this into radius. So right click and display as radius. So simply right click and display as a radius. Now go to feature, extrude. See here, we have to flip the direction. And we have to select up to surface. save. So the pattern has been created and come out of it. So it will show an error. Now once again edit this and select up to next and say OK. Now I am going to create the internal cutout. Select the sketch, so this is 17.5. So go to extruded cut and say through all. See here, it is going to create cutout. Now I am going to create these holes. So I am going to select this face, go to sketch and say OK. Here select the circle, move near to this arc and place it over here. So this is of 3 mm. Now we have to make circular pattern. Select this circle and we have to make 3 equal instances. Say OK and draw a PCD of 84.1. So make this construction. Now draw one circle at this point. So here instead of dimensioning we can select these 2 circles and make it equal. Now once again create a circular pattern. So here we have to select this circle. So before that we have to update to 8. So we need 8 instances and say OK. See here. Now select the extruded cut, say through all. So now finally I am going to apply the fillet. So it is 1 mm. So we have to apply both the sides. See, this is to avoid the stress concentration. See here. So this is our final component. Next I am going to create the drawing. So I have taken a A3 sheet. So insert this component, keep it in front view, right side view. So this is our front view as a reference, and we have to set the scale. So it's 1:1. So here we have to update sheet scale, that is 1:1. Apply changes. Okay, now we have to select this view once again, and we have to use sheet scale. Now we can keep one isometric view as a projected view. So keep it in shaded form. Now we have to create a sectional view. So draw a line, delete previous. So here instead of right side view, we have to keep left side view. See here. Now select this line, make a cross section. So now it's matching exactly to this drawing. Now we can select this cross section line and we can make it as A. Now I am going to place the dimension. So before that I am going to draw two lines, center lines, for placing the angular dimension. So you can join two centers. So after placing dimension, we have to always select none for the degrees. So it is mandatory. So this is also 120. Select this dimension and we have to say none. So we can align this to so this is 3. So if decimal value is not shown for 0, then we have to go to options, document properties, select dimensions, and we have to select show instead of smart show and say OK. Here also we can select number of decimal values. So it's showing 3.0. I'm going to show the radius. Select this, select this. So select the check the font. So go to document font and check whether it is. See, it is showing 27. It's more than. So go to dimensions. See here, font size we have to select 12. Or simply we can type it and say OK. This is very much important. So we have to check this option. So whenever we create a drawing, we have to check the font size. So this is the diameter of the boss. It's 11.0. And inside diameter is 9.5. So we have to specify this angle or distance. So you can select this. So we have to show up to 1 decimal. So that is 17.8. So drag it left. So now we can place the center marks. Now I am going to place the dimensions for this. So I will start from inner dimension. The inside diameter of the hole is 6.5. This is 6.5. This is 2.4. This is the thickness. See here 14.3 and 3.2. This is 75. So we have to draw one center axis. So select these two edges and we have to show distance from this boss to center axis. And we have to mention this diameter. So it's not showing as a diameter, so we can click here and select diameter. See here we can select display or center distance. We have to uncheck this and move little bit up. See here. So we have to show this diameter also. So we have to rearrange the dimension once after placing it. See here. To save the space, now we can move little bit right. Select this edge. This is 11.1. So we can place inside. So font size it is 12. So this is the final drawing. We have to rearrange the views once after placing the dimensions, and here we have to show the center lines for these holes. So the final drawing is completed. So I am going to share this PDF. You can check the description. So this is brief about creation of a 3D CAD model in SolidWorks and 2D drawing in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.